Let's take a quick look here at what comes in the box. It does have some new packaging from Citymon. Instructions, we have the keys, and then there's the Allen wrench to adjust the little hitch plate on top. And then we have the hitch itself. And again, there are different versions of this. And we'll go over all the specs here in just a minute, but same high quality piece as it was last time. Nice little dust cap there. But let's go over all the differences. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Citymon Endo Hitch. It's a class 4 trailer hitch that has a lock and it's anti-rattle, so it's kind of all in one. If you were here a few months back, you know that I went over the kind of Kickstarter version or the original version, design version of this hitch, and I really liked it. I like the design. Everything's built in, super easy to use, and I've been using it actually on my Ford Ranger here since I made that video, and I've towed with it a number of times. That's this guy right here, and what we have today is the newest version from them, and we're going to go over some of the changes and the improvements that they made. So first and foremost, you're going to notice, if you just look at the side here, a couple things. Number one, hitch is a little bit longer so that it works with more vehicles. The shape of the knob here is different. It's more streamlined, not sharp edges, so it's less likely to get damaged. And one of the big things is there's a lot fewer turns that you need to get this to extend the pin when you're locking this guy in or taking it off. So that's very cool. They also have this hitch locating plate that allows you to set it so that you push your hitch in just far enough, it touches this lip, lines your pin up perfectly, so it's a quick and easy install process, that's very cool. And again, the model I have here is 2-inch drop with a 3/4 rise and a 1-inch hole, and they have 4 different hitches available with 3 different ball sizes. So something to check out. Everything you need to make your adjustments is included in the kit. You have your keys that I showed you when we were doing the unboxing, and then it also does come with the little Allen key needed to adjust this guy right here. Sounds like, from what they told me, they have some other models coming that's going to make this even match with more vehicles. It's a little bit limited at the time being, but that is coming down the road as well. So one of the other things that they said is coming with future models too is a key clip. I guess that is designed to keep the key from rotating when you're spinning the knob. We'll take a look at that when we're installing it here for you. But as far as weight and everything, pretty much the same. Nice solid piece. And again, this guy's been in my truck for the last couple months and it's holding up quite well. Most of the time, if you ride around with your hitch installed, you're only going to have to do this process once, lock it up, and it's good to go. So let's take a look at installing this guy, and we'll show you what this is all about, and we'll check and see how many turns it takes to install this guy. So let's go ahead and install the old one first and take a look at the difference so you guys can get an idea. So line that dude up, put the key in. And you can see it does take a little bit of time to get this thing to spin out. But again, the big thing is you're not going to be doing this multiple times. Maybe some of you are, but then pull your key and you're good to go. You can see that's nice and locked in there. You're not going to have any noise or anything when you're towing, which is really nice. And the fact that it's all in one is really, really, really nice. All right, there we go. So now the first thing we're going to do with this new guy is set this hitch pin. So we're going to get that lined up, and you just loosen this up, slide that forward, and you can kind of see on my hitch that it doesn't quite reach, and this is one of the things that they're coming out with in the new model. It's going to be fit on more cars and give you a better idea of how you can line that up a little bit easier. Okay. So we're going to tighten this as close as we can anyway, so give me a visual reference. Alright. So you can see it's definitely spinning the pin out much quicker. You just go until that gets nice and snug. Lock it up. And this is one of the things that they mentioned. So the first time when you get this out of the box, it's still going to be a little bit loose, okay? So what you need to do, loosen it up again. Just back it up a bit. And spin it back. Relock it. Now you can see very little movement, very little side-to-side movement. There's a little bit of play in there, but we'll see if we can get that out of it. Try loosening it again. That's even tighter that time. So it just takes a couple times loosening and tightening it up to get that pin to fully come out and set itself. But definitely a lot quicker action as far as getting that pin to fully come out. And I just really like the idea of having it all in one. So let's take that off. You can see it takes less than half the turns to get it to come out. So I took the truck and my trailer hooked up out for a quick drive just to listen to see if there was any noise at all. And as you'll see from this next video, it was very quiet. You're going to hear a little bit of trailer noise, but nothing at all was coming from the hitch itself. It was actually very quiet. So that was a quick look at the revised or improved Citymon hitch, kind of all-in-one hitch really. We have the anti-rattle part, we have it's lockable, and actually this little plate here, this restrictor will be nice once they get it to be more lengths for different applications. Just making that slide, boom, you're right where you need to be and go for it. With all the improvements they made, I really liked this product when I was doing the original review. I thought it was really cool. Everything all in one, nice and easy. The improvements they made I think are great. Turning the knob is half of what it was before. I also like the new style of the knob. It's not, it's a little bit easier to turn. Same high quality materials here. From everything from the new box that it comes in to all these changes that they've made, I think this is just even a better product. And again, if you're looking to get one of these guys, you can get it for 20% off right now. Really nice little hitch, nice setup. If you need an anti-rattle and a locking hitch, I don't think you can go wrong picking one of these guys up. But as always, if you have any questions, please leave those below. I also have my email down there if you want to send me an email, and the link to their Amazon site and the Citymon site and the discount code are all in the description. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next one.